And you can see here that they've got some new studding going up to put some walls up. Okay, you've got a top plate here, which goes along the top before the wall goes up, and a bottom plate here. And the reason it's like this right now, because the existing walls that are here, if you can see behind the wall, looks good, but you can see a stud there, and it's connected to the joists along the ceiling here. And when I go down and look, and it's, you know, there's one maybe 2 feet across, to the next one 2 feet across. It should be 16 inches to the center of each one. And there's another room here, the same thing. I'm finding it throughout. Once again, the studs are incorrectly tied into the floor joists of the ceiling here. But when you go to this, the whole wall is moving here. So what's happening is, and one more room here, what's happening is there's a stud, there's a stud, there's no stud for the window, there's a stud, and if you look at the floor, I can give it a kick and the whole floor is moving. So the floor joist or the floor sill is not even attached to the floor. Normally they're attached to the floor. They should be attached with a plate, a bottom plate here, and then this gets Tapcon or nailed into the concrete. And this is going to be done shortly. But that's what's happened. So all the walls are moving, they look great, but when you get down to it, this room is where a kitchen is going to go. And you can see there's a stud there, and then there's about a 3-foot span going to another stud. So if there's going to be cabinets here, which is what they're planning to do, this whole wall, you can see it moving. It's not going to support cabinets for a kitchen. So unfortunately, probably the walls have to come down and it has to be done professionally. Once again, the professionals should come in and do it. At least get someone in to look at it and say what you need. It's when people do their own work, or they have friends that do their work, or someone that's they're not experienced in doing this type of work. So we want to make sure it's done correctly. So we're going to look at this and get it straightened out for this very nice lady. Okay, take care. I'm Jeremy at Inside Inspection Services. Have a great day.